Take a ride in the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.